In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your PayPal account. Before we start, keep in mind that closing your PayPal account is permanent. Once it's closed, you won't be able to reopen it or see your past transaction history through that account. So if you need any records for taxes, refunds, or personal tracking, it's a good idea to download or screenshot your recent activity first. Also, make sure you don't have any pending payments, disputes, or a negative balance, because those can prevent you from closing the account. Let's begin. First, log into your PayPal account using your usual email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of the page and find your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that might show your initials or a generic avatar. Click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select the option that takes you to your profile settings. After you're in your profile settings, check that you're on the Login and Security tab. This is the section where PayPal keeps all the core details about your account, including your account type. Take a moment here to confirm everything looks correct. And again, make sure you've resolved anything important in your account before you move forward, because you're about to start the closure process. In the Login and Security area, look for the row labeled Account Type. On the right side of that row, you'll see a button that says Close Account. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will show several reminders about what it means to close your account, such as losing access to your balance and transaction history. Read through these notes carefully so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. If you're sure you want to move on, click Continue. The page will reload and you'll be asked to choose your reason or reasons for closing the account. You can select up to 3 reasons from the list PayPal provides, and there's usually a box where you can add any additional comments if you'd like to share more detail. This is optional, but it can help PayPal understand why users are leaving. When you're done selecting your reasons and adding comments, click Continue. The page will reload one last time and show a few final reminders about closing your account. Review this information carefully. If you're completely decided and ready to close your PayPal account, click the Confirm button. After you confirm, your account will be closed and you'll see a message on the screen indicating that the process is complete.